Ranger. So when you see him outside, just call him Ranger. I usually don't use mics, so it should be a Ranger instructor. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jose Pila, and I've been to rehab for substance abuse and alcoholism twice, and that subsequently led me to homelessness, waking up in park benches and in the streets. And I'm also a United States Army veteran of 8 years. Shouldn't happen. The current transitioning that the military has for service members out of the military is inadequate. I went through it. Going through that transitioning out of the military leaves you feeling alone and lost and without a purpose, because we no longer have that identity that we held from the military, waking up every day to somebody telling us exactly what to do. And then when we separate from the military, that identity gets stripped away from us and we're left feeling alone and without that purpose. For me, like I mentioned, it led me to homelessness, but I knew that if I continued on the same path, waking up on that bench was going to be the rest of my life. So what I did, I started rebuilding, restructuring, and reinforcing my core beliefs and my core values from the military and implementing them into a civilian life so that I can change that mindset so that it better fits what I was transitioning into. That led me to graduate from honors from Cal Poly Pomona. I have an MBA from University of Redlands in finance. And I'm a PhD candidate in philosophy and finance. I also started this company with my co-founder, Pedro De Leon, who has a similar story of transitioning out of the military like I do. With 10 Hut, what we're looking to do is to utilize the housing first model so that we can create a strong foundation so that we start developing that transitioning that the veteran actually deserves. And we can start building that foundation, that structure that we need for that veteran. We're looking for your vote so that you can help us, help those veterans transition better, because they gave so much for us and asked for nothing in return. Thank you.